Next one, entitled woman refuses to exit the bus, gets dragged off.
On October 3rd, 2025, officers responded to a call regarding a disorderly woman who refused to leave a bus.
She refuses to call off the transit conduct, right? Unlawful transit conduct.
Oh, he bit you for this shit?
Where's she at?
Right there in front. On the front.
Yeah, you want to talk to the...
I was trying to fucking stream and my shit was just too hot, so I can't. I can't yet. So I was talking about how crazy that shit is, that they're like barricaded in like that. I didn't know that. I thought they were just sitting there with an open seat. They're defended now. Like, what the fuck's happening to bus drivers? Oh my god.
So she got on a bus, she walked past.
Don't do no slandering me.
As you see, she's listening to everything I'm saying. I'm slandering her.
You just want her removed?
Yes, please.
Okay.
I told him an all-day pass.
So what happened?
Oh,
She just walked by him.
Yep, I told him an
disruptive.
all-day pass.
He just wants her
So
removed.
he's lying.
Shut up,
That's
bruh.
why he's lying. Because I don't know why he want me to remove. Okay, well, you didn't let it, but did you actually tell everybody else to get on for free, though? So that's a form of discrimination. So anyway, I'm on my way to work.
Hey, show of hands. Who wants this lady to leave the bus so you can get on?
Who? Show of hands.
Show of hands. Okay.
Yeah, well, actually, you got a body cam on? Because I showed
do.
my pass.
Bro, what kind of police process is this shit? I don't even know what her side of the fucking story is. I don't know what's going on, and you guys are terrible at figuring it out.
Okay.
That was quite a bit of hands.
Okay, anyway, go check everybody for their pass.
That's not my job.
Okay, well, it should be his job. Thank you. I think I'm
The
doing
bottom line
mine.
is you gotta go.
Yeah, I'm doing mine.
Time to go.
Do you have that?
You gotta get off this bus.
Okay, anyway, don't have nothing to do with that. He lied on me to you guys, so you know.
Look at all the
that's
people you're
official
holding up right now. They want to get
Okay,
moving.
anyway, I'm on my way to work. So what are you talking about? So we can call you supervisor.
What?
Bro, where does she work? I never want to go to that store.
Okay,
What am I-
supervisor. Who are you? Check everybody on this bus then.
Not doing that.
Yep, okay, well then that's again.
You got two options.
Official misconduct.
Yeah, you got two
So,
options.
Official misconduct. I'm just saying, I'm not getting full enjoyment of services rendered.
I get it if you feel like wronged by the bus system, because it's probably not all that great, and maybe he doesn't have a great reason to tell you get the fuck off. Maybe you just had a bad day or some shit. I don't know. But this is not the way to fucking fix it.
So let's make this a civil matter then.
Okay.
I'm still moving forward. Thank you.
Okay. So
Check everybody on this bus right now.
two options. You're gonna leave the bus,
Check everybody on this bus right now.
or you're gonna get
Nobody
arrested
needs to
for
work.
unlawful bus
Okay,
conduct.
so that's a lie. That's a Trump
It's not a lie.
charge.
Bus
That's a
conduct?
Trump charge.
You have a pathway to leave. That's one of your
For what?
options. Or you're going to jail.
Okay, well, the supervisor's on the
you
call.
leave or you go to jail. That's it.
So that's a threat.
It's not a threat.
Oh, it's a threat. So you're abusing your power of position or authority. Okay, well, he just lied to you guys. And your uniform is not clean.
You're holding up a.
I'm not holding up anybody. I'm just saying.
Just
Bro, this
watch
never
it.
Keep your hand out of his
Okay,
purse.
anyway, what are you talking about? It's a pass.
Okay.
What are you talking
We're
about?
gonna tell you one more time.
Yeah.
We have two options. Body cam is on. Yep.
Okay.
See the red
Pass.
light?
So did anybody else pay? Did anybody else pay? You let anybody else on for free though, right?
Yes, I have the.
Okay, again, form of discrimination.
Look, we don't want to do this.
Okay,
It's
so let's
Friday.
card. Okay, RCW 9.91010.
There's no such. There's no such thing.
Yes,
I think she thinks that he let people on for free, but she had to pay.
it is. Full
No,
enjoyment
it's
service
not.
surrendered, and I'm not Rosa Parks.
Maybe.
So two officers right now. Let me get a card.
You have to get off the bus
Let
first.
me get a card.
You have to get off the bus
Let me
first.
get a card.
You have to get
You'll get your card off the bus
Let me get a
so
card.
that these people can get on with their
These
day.
people, that's a racial remark.
It's not a racial
Yes,
remark.
it is. These people,
There's a whole
we
bunch
are
of
all
different people.
individuals. Check everybody. I'm just saying.
Okay.
All right.
Again, you have two options.
Two options. We're gonna wait for your supervisor.
Two options.
Hello.
You either live
Yes,
with
there's
us,
an officer. What? I don't see your
Maury
name.
Kawa.
Okay, Maury, whatever. What is it? DMORIKAKW and a
Agapov.
No one's getting this.
I would like the supervisor here because this driver just made a false statement of me.
No, he's the captain of the ship.
Okay, anyway, he's really not when I just caught all
He is.
this. So are you cleaning this up because you're a public servant or not?
Okay.
Arrest and take me to
That's
jail.
that's
Don't do that because I'm
Then
talking.
you're under arrest.
Okay, no, I'm not.
Yes, you are.
No,
You're
I'm not.
under
'Cause I'm
arrest.
talking. Don't not
No,
take
I'm
my
not.
phone.
You're gonna
Do
go to the
not
ground.
take my phone.
You're gonna go to the
Don't
ground.
take my
Don't do
phone.
that.
Yeah,
Don't
this-
take my phone.
Please don't do that.
Don't take my phone.
Put your hands behind your back.
I got my driver's license.
behind your back right now.
Okay, are you upset?
you're gonna
I'm
get
not
fired, too.
I'm not resisting. I need to go home. I need to go home. You're taking my phone.
Okay.
You trying to go to work?
If you not do that, thank you.
I knew she was
I'm not
lying. She
fighting,
ain't got
you're
no
lying.
goddamn job.
Behind your back.
With that
I'm not
attitude, hell no.
I'm not fighting, sir. Can I get my phone? Okay, I wanted to get off and I showed you my pass. But I showed you my pass. Don't do that. I'm not resisting. I'm not resisting, sir. I'm not resisting.
It's just like the last guy we saw who was bumping music too loud. They can just tell you to
I
get the
did
fuck
not.
off, even if you pay. It doesn't matter.
3,000 chances.
Okay, but he lied. Do you know that's official misconduct?
Oh my goodness.
Yes, it is. Do you know he lied?
Okay, everybody else, have a nice Friday.
Yep.
Oh my god,
Thank
this is a
you.
Friday.
Get up.
Fucking way to start.
Come on.
Thank you
What
for putting
time
me in a
is it?
hostile
Get up.
situation.
4 p.m.
Thank you.
Oh.
Thank you. Thank you, sir, for putting me in a hostile situation.
We're gonna grab your information real quick.
Yeah, good thing he's locked up.
I didn't do
like
anything
that.
wrong.
Okay? You are under arrest.
For what?
Unlawful
False
bus
statement.
conduct.
He's about to tell
Oh, that's
you.
a lie.
Nope, not a lie.
Yes, it is, because I got on our board to let everybody on home for free. I was talking to his supervisor, so again, a form of official misconduct on a false statement. And I didn't do nothing wrong. And then he let everybody get on the bus for
2-3
free.
negative. Everyone can downgrade.
Oh, but guess what? There's somebody on the bus.
That's all she had to say in the beginning, to just say your side of it, and maybe they'll figure it out. And get the fuck off the bus. Stop being a bitch.
And they got alcohol. Oh my gosh, you didn't text in. But thank you for being a predator behind the badge. And I was not harassing anybody, but check everybody because they got alcohol on the bus.
Yeah, aren't you not allowed to search a woman as a male officer?
I see you look at me. Here's my all-day pass.
Yeah.
Okay, ma'am. Can you bring it to me so I can see it? Well, you don't have to see it, blah, 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 blah. You know, she went off. I'm like, ma'am, I need to see the expiration date and whatnot on there. And then she's like, you're harassing me.
That's fair, bro.
Yeah.
You're harassing me. Y'all making me late. They said you're late. You know, just drive. And I said, ma'am, can you please come show me your pass?
Yeah.
I already showed it to you. You need glasses. All right, ma'am.
Yeah.
Can you just step off there?
Yeah.
He's got
And
a
here we
shitty
go.
job
Here we
enough.
go.
Okay.
Just being disruptive.
Don't lie, check everybody in the bus.
Bro, people don't want to be on the bus for an hour. This guy has to be on the bus every fucking day for probably more than 8 hours. 8 hours at least, though. My God. Give him a break.
Thank you. Can you get a supervisor here?
Oh, bro, no sympathy for you after we now know what's going on. Like, you just were talking too loud for us to figure it the fuck out. My God.
Okay. Is your body cam on?
Yep. Go ahead and move that way.
Thank you, because I didn't do nothing wrong.
Bro, she's done every, like, typical, like, suspect thing. How do they all act the fucking same? Call their mom after they get pulled over. They're talking about lawsuits and lawyers and this and that. And oh my
I can't wait to
God.
take this one.
Their lives are just
We
not
get here.
together.
We walk on. She's pretending talking to you on the phone.
She's been trying to talk to me. Yeah.
Oh, is it really?
This is my admin complaint.
Oh, okay. We say, oh, hey, you're holding
Oh my
everybody.
God, she actually reached out to the people above the cops that were already there. That's crazy.
Up. They want you off the bus. He's the captain of the ship. You need to leave. Nope, not leaving. Okay.
That's the one time the phone call might actually fucking save you. So I was wrong saying that it never would. Like, if they were doing something wrong, the cops, that call would have helped you.
He still made a false statement.
What was the false statement? You still
Whatever
haven't
he
told me.
said to 911 about me.
So you don't know
don't
the
even
statement
know?
that he made that's false?
Okay, well, what he said was that I
Oh
had
my
a
God.
pass, right?
Uh-huh.
Then he was demanding me to come up and show my pass, but as his boss says, I can sit down because he saw my pass from the window. He's not blind. Press charge about that.
Did he ask you to show your pass to him, the bus driver?
I sat down and shut in the mirror and he could see my pass.
Right, but did he ask you to show him your pass?
He didn't ask me.
From where he's sitting in the fucking rear view mirror, you expect him to see the expiration date on your shitty wrinkled bus pass? fuck no.
Everybody
Oh
else,
my
but he
god.
I didn't ask if anybody else.
Okay,
I'm
but
just
again,
asking
he
you.
asked me to show the pass, but he wanted me to be flirtatious with him. I don't have time for that, so I sat down safely.
Flirtatious.
So,
Because I observed everybody getting on the bus for free, and some people got on the bus with alcohol.
I don't think that they allow for free anymore, especially in a Pierce,
Okay, well,
Pierce
that's
County
what
bus.
he did. You can go
Pierce County bus?
get the camera.
Yeah, they
get
don't-
the
they don't
camera.
let you
Yes,
do
he did.
Okay.
Get the camera. So he did
You
that.
can't even speak to her. She's just going off constantly.
So my only understanding is that he asked you at some point to show your.
And I showed my
to show your-
pass, and he let everybody else get on for free. So he can pull those cameras up.
Okay.
So for him to take the vote, for everybody to say
just
what?
talking.
For me to get off?
Well,
that's
that
discrimination.
we have to abide by what the.
Well, then what he
hear me
did
out.
was
We have to
ask
abide by what the
everybody else
driver
for a pass.
says.
She's
Yeah,
not
I'm
gonna
just
listen
saying
to
the
the
driver
boss
lied
boss.
to you guys, okay?
The driver asked
I'm
for you to be
pressing
removed. Is that
charges.
correct?
What?
The driver asked for you to
Yeah,
be
'cause
to
he
go off the
lied.
bus. Okay. And that's where we have to come in. That's why
That's
we're
fine,
involved
but
in
he
this.
still lied.
Okay. And on that, you talked to a supervisor about that?
I made a complaint
You said you were on the
about
phone
him.
for it?
Yep, I
Okay.
sure was.
Okay. Well, that's
Are you
that's
give
probably
up?
who to take it up with as far as like.
But I was arrested for no
Oh my
reason.
god, there's no taking it up, bro. It's over. It's you don't have anything. You were wrong. You should have shown him the pass. He wasn't trying to flirt with you. You that I don't know. That's crazy. There's been fucking good videos today. There's been 3 bangers in a row. So I'm gonna keep it going.